Hey friends, I want to show you how to replace the edge sweeping brush on your iRobot. As you can see, mine broke and here's the new one that I'm going to replace it with. I think it's important to buy authentic replacement parts. This set comes with 3 filters, 1 set of rubber brushes, and 3 edge sweeping brushes, which is what I need to replace. It's good to check this part often because pieces can break off before the expiration time. This part is necessary and important because it sweeps debris into the cleaning path to be suctioned off your floor. So other than the new part, all you need is a standard sized Phillips screwdriver. You will want to hold on to the brush or it will just spin instead of being screwed off. And then once off, you want to make sure to clean off any debris that was stuck underneath. Then just screw on the new part until tightened. For most parts that you're going to need to change, like the ones I just mentioned, it will say in the app when it's time, but you always still want to check and see if there's wear prior to the expiration. See, wasn't that easy?